How to add and remove legacy contact on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to Sign In and Security. Here, scroll down and go to Legacy Contact. A legacy contact is someone you trust to have access to the data in your account after your death. Tap on Add Legacy Contact. As you can see, you require Face ID or passcode to access the next page. From here, select the contact you want and then tap on Continue. Choose how to share your access key. For example, print a copy. You have now successfully added them as your legacy contact. If you want to remove them, then tap on their name. Then, tap on Remove Contact below. Tap on Remove Contact again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily add and remove legacy contacts on iPhone.